Hello everyone, I'm Jeff the Chock-a-Block. In this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating how to get the PIVX Core wallet up and running on a PC. This will include how to download, install, encrypt, unlock, and back up the wallet. Before we get started, please gather the following items: an index card, a pen, and a blank USB thumb drive. It's good practice to back up important information regarding your wallet, and we'll use these items throughout the tutorial to do so. Go ahead and label the top of the index card PIVX Core Wallet. Below it write Destination Folder, Data Directory, and Passphrase. We'll fill in this information as we go along. Step 1. Download. Open an internet browser on your computer and navigate to pivx.org. On this page, select Get PIVX and then Wallet. On the next screen, you will see two options for Windows, 32-bit and 64-bit. You'll want to download the option suitable to your operating system. If you don't know if your operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit, simply navigate to Settings, System, and About on your computer to check. Step 2. Install. Once downloaded, open or run the setup file to launch the PIVX installer. The PIVX installer will present you with a setup wizard which will guide you through the installment process. Select Next. The next window will ask you to choose a destination folder. We'll go with the default. Write down your destination folder on your note card and select Next. The next window will ask you to choose a Start menu folder. We'll go with the default. Select Install. The next window will display the progress of the PIVX Core wallet being installed. Once completed, select Next. The final window will provide you with a confirmation that the PIVX Core wallet has been installed. Please note that the box labeled Run PIVX Core is checked. This means that when you select Finish, the wallet will start up automatically. Select Finish. As the wallet starts up for the first time, you'll be asked to choose a location for the wallet's data directory. The data directory is where the wallet will download and store a copy of the PIVX blockchain. Because blockchain data grows over time, you'll want to choose a location with lots of available space. We'll go with the default. Write down your data directory location on your note card and select OK. As the wallet starts up, you will first see a loading screen followed by the wallet itself. When the wallet opens, it will be out of sync with the network. Here, you will see a red Out of Sync at the top. The wallet will automatically begin synchronizing with the network, the progress of which is displayed at the bottom of the wallet. This will include a progress bar and a label conveying the number of years and weeks the wallet is behind and a block number it is currently scanning. You'll learn more about what this means in a moment. The synchronization process can take up to several days to complete, so it's best to leave the wallet open and running for the time being. If you have to shut down your computer before the wallet completes synchronization, that's okay. Just make sure to close out of the wallet before shutting down the computer. The next time you launch the wallet, it will pick up where it left off. During the synchronization period, your wallet is downloading and verifying all the blocks in the PIVX blockchain. In other words, it's getting its own up-to-date copy of the blockchain and making sure that it matches everyone else's copy in the network. For those of you who are still a bit unfamiliar with the mechanisms behind blockchain and cryptocurrency, here's a quick overview to provide you with a bit more context. Cryptocurrency like PIVX is stored in wallets. Wallets are kept track of by a decentralized ledger. Decentralized ledgers are supported by computers connected in a peer-to-peer network. The computers in a peer-to-peer network leverage blockchain to store all the documented changes to the ledger over time. These changes are the result of people interacting with the wallets and the cryptocurrency they hold. In order to interact with these wallets, people must possess a secret key, which among other things allows them to send cryptocurrency from one wallet to another. As this happens, the computers supporting the entire system follow a specific protocol allowing them to agree on what changes have occurred. The agreed upon information is stored in blocks which are continuously added to the blockchain over time. Here, each computer in the system maintains an identical copy of the blockchain. This is important as it lends itself to the whole decentralized nature of the entire system. A system that allows anyone to join as long as they have an up-to-date copy of the blockchain, which again, your wallet is currently acquiring. The average rate in which new blocks are added to the blockchain is called block time. PIVX has a block time of about 60 seconds, which means a new block is added to the PIVX blockchain every minute. That's 1,440 blocks a day, 525,600 blocks a year. And, at the time of recording, the PIVX blockchain is just over 3 years old. Therefore, to fully synchronize with the network, your wallet must download and verify the 1.5 million plus blocks in the PIVX blockchain, and that's what takes the synchronization process so long. Once your wallet finishes synchronizing with the PIVX blockchain, the red out of sync will disappear at the top of the wallet. However, the wallet will still need to synchronize with masternodes, sporks, masternode winners, and budgets. This will happen automatically and shouldn't take too long. If you see synchronization failed at any point during this period, don't fret. Just let the wallet do its thing. Once the wallet has completed synchronization, the progress bar in the bottom left will disappear, and the status indicator in the bottom right will turn into a green check. Congratulations, your wallet is now synchronized with the network. Step 3. Encrypt. To encrypt your wallet, go to Settings, Encrypt Wallet. You'll be asked to enter a passphrase consisting of 10 or more random characters or 8 or more words. Write down your passphrase on your index card. For demonstration purposes, we'll use a simple passphrase of 12345678990. But please don't use this passphrase. Once you've entered your passphrase, select OK. The next window is a confirmation modal warning you of the consequences of losing your passphrase. It's important to understand that there is no "I forgot my passphrase" feature as seen in web and mobile applications requiring login credentials. You and you alone are responsible for this passphrase. If you forget and lose your passphrase, you will lose access to your funds. Good thing you wrote it down. Go ahead and select Yes. The next window informs you that the wallet needs to close and restart for the encryption to take effect. Further, it warns you that any previous backups you've made of the wallet will become useless afterwards. This does not apply to you since we have not yet created a backup. However, if you jumped ahead and created a backup already, just make sure to create a new one once your wallet is encrypted. Select OK. The wallet will shut down. Once the wallet has fully closed, you'll need to restart it. If a shortcut to the wallet is not readily available, you can simply navigate to the destination folder written on your index card. Step 4. Unlock. Once the wallet has launched, you'll need to unlock the wallet. Unlocking the wallet allows it to stake any PIVX it contains in order to earn rewards. We'll discuss staking in another tutorial. To do this, either navigate to Settings, Unlock Wallet, or select the lock icon at the bottom right of your screen. You'll be presented with a window asking you to enter in your passphrase. Make sure the checkbox for anonymizing, auto mint, and stake is checked. Select OK. You'll notice that the lock icon in the bottom right now appears unlocked. Careful, if you accidentally click this icon, it will lock your wallet without any warning, possibly leaving you none the wiser. This is really only problematic if you are staking, as you will not be able to earn rewards when the wallet is locked. Step 5. Backup. At this time, insert your thumb drive into a USB port on your computer. Then, in the wallet, navigate to File, Backup Wallet. A screen will appear asking you where you want to save the file and what to name it. Select your thumb drive as a Save To location, and name the file PIVX Score Backup plus the date. Select Save. Remember earlier when I mentioned that people use a secret key to access and interact with wallets? Well, this backup contains a copy of that key. Safely eject your thumb drive and place it and your note card in a safe place. Seriously, lock them up. If you ever forget your passphrase or need to restore your wallet, these are the only items that will help you recover your funds. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded, installed, encrypted, unlocked, and backed up your wallet. That concludes this tutorial on how to get the PIVX Core wallet up and running on a PC. Until next time, I'm Jeff with Chockablock.